Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. In today's lesson 12, I want to teach you about support and resistance. Guys, I know many people may think this lesson is not important because there is the way they think support and resistance should be, but I'm here to teach you about one candle support, one candle resistance that is very, very important. So once you open your chart, many people will go and mark their resistance. You see, you can say this is your resistance. Why? Because already it is there, like the market stopped in this place. So it is easier for you to mark what you can see in the market. But it is not easy to find a one candle resistance or a one candle support. So today I will start with the support. So we know support is where on an upward market, this is a very good market that is going on an upward. Most of the time, sellers are coming in trying to push this market down or trying to reverse. So yes, you're an upward market, but remember you have to be careful, because if sellers succeed to start breaking through, we'll get a reversal. So you can see that having an uptrend and knowing that buyers are in control is never enough. Knowing when sellers are coming in, that is the most important thing, guys. So where the sellers have stopped, you can see at the moment, this support, it's very, very evident to many people. But I'm here to tell you that most of the time, market makers will not use what is common. So support, what you are told, is where the market has attempted to touch multiple times. Even if that place, it didn't touch, but it attempted. That's what you are told. I'm here to teach you that support is anytime you see a red candle followed by a green candle, that is your support. Guys, anytime you see a red candle followed by a green candle, the support is created. What do I mean? These are red candles. Let me bring them here so that we can see. So anytime you have a red candle followed by a green candle, of course you have a support. So we have that. We have another red candle. So what if the market keeps selling and you don't have a green candle? We will never have a support. So if that is the case, if the market never prints a green candle, we will never have support. Did you know that? We can't have a support if the green candle has not printed. So immediately we'll have a green candle now printing. Immediately we have a green candle printing. That's how we get support. That's how we get support. So at the end of the day, and support in this case I always mark my support with the highest, the lowest part of the week. So if the week was like that, that's where I will mark my support. So guys, in short, what am I trying to tell you? It's high time you know how support is created. It's high time you know how resistance is created. In this video is just an introduction of what we'll be doing. This is a very like a depth lesson. So lesson 12 can go all the way to lesson, I think, 18. So there are like 6 lessons to learn, but today I was just creating a base that anytime you have red candle following and you don't have a green candle, you don't have a support. So red, green, you get a support. What if the green candle is the one that had the week? What if that is the candle that had the week? Where would we place our support? So the market was like that. So the green candle is the one that will head the week. So remember, we can't place our support there. Why? Because the market, of course, attempted to come all this way but buyers pushed it. So at the end of the day, it's not about where you're placing your wick. Is it on the green candle or the red? The fact that the green candle appeared, the fact that there was red then green candle appear, we have a support. Now where to place the line is not about, oh, place it on the wick, place it on the green candle, place it on the red. As long as red and then followed by green, we have support. So let's now try to look. If you just had a red candle, let me try to delete that. I delete that. Anytime you have a red candle in the market, and it doesn't matter the size of the candle. You know, many people will say, oh, that's a doji color. If it's red, it doesn't matter. So anytime you have a red candle in the market and then followed by green, it is left there, it's support. And many people don't understand that. Anytime you have a red candle, even if it is one, even if the market previously was a buy, and then you get a green candle buy, then red in between, then green, and the market like start buying like it had not even printed the red. What you don't know is that we have a support zone, and support won't put on the red because the green wick is lower than the red one, so we'll put here. So what is authorizing us to have a support is the fact that we had green, the market was going up, then all of a sudden sellers came in, and then buyers came up again. So the red candle is authorizing the presence of the red candle without the sellers are continuing. But immediately counter interacted by the green. So the fact that we have red followed by green, support is created. So let's go back to our example. Let's go back to example and try to see if we'll get the lesson for today. So many people will pay more attention. And guys, remember, I have really taught about double top. So market makers know that you have already seen this double top. So there's nothing unique about it. So already they have charged your mind to go on a sell. So already they know you have done what? You know that is a double top. And then they know if that's a double top, this is what you will use. They know you will use this as your support and neckline. And now you're waiting for your support to be broken. So the market makers know that many people don't pay attention on one candle support, one candle resistance. So you do your analysis. The market has approached the neckline. It's about to break. So we are waiting for this market to break to get in as usual, the way people do it. So the market breaks. So immediately the market breaks. What you don't understand is that the market makers already, they have planned everything. So for you, many people will start chasing the buy after retracement. Not buy, the sell after retracement. Many people will sell immediately, and many even can wait for the next candle. So they can wait for the next candle to be confident that this market is eventually selling. Now, this is the problem, guys. If you pay attention on your left, let me now use an arrow. If you pay attention on your left, the support, we thought it has been broken. But what you don't know is that we have a one candle support. Guys, this is what I've been telling you. Like, this is the lesson for today. We have a one candle support. Very important. Why? Because they will use this support. They will use this support anytime they get a chance. So what you have to do is you need to put a box after the body like that. And then you pull that so that if your market is at that support zone, you already know what to do. So many people will pay attention on a double top. Let me show you. Many people will pay attention on a double top that has broken neckline, not knowing, guys, not knowing what is happening. The market is at support. The doji in this case was used as a support. And guess which pattern are we getting? We are getting a possible double bottom. So in many cases, many people will lose track because of missing out the red candle, the one candle support. So if you lose the one candle support, what happens for you? You are not in this trade because maybe you sell immediately if you don't wait for retracement, or you'll keep chasing this trade until you will keep chasing this trade until you get it. So what we can do, the market, this is a possible double bottom, but many people will think it is a possible double top. So what if the market retest? Let's say we get a green candle, then where we'll get a red candle, we get in. So assuming that many people think that we are on a retracement and the market will give them a chance to do what? To enter. So you get a red candle, and guess what? Many people will even use my strategy, but no, this is wrong. Why? Because you're using this double top breaking neckline, not knowing that we have a double bottom. So you might be concentrating on the double bottom, you draw your half there, now waiting for the market to break to enter buy, but many people will do the vice versa. So immediately the market breaks that box, many people will get in a sale, not knowing what they are doing to themselves because of the one candle support that they never saw. If you have ever done this, you can comment down below. I know many people have done it. So many people now will be able to see this support. Why? Because it's more than one candle. Many people always see that support that is more than one candle. You see? But let's say if you knew that this is a double bottom because of this one candle, if you knew it's a double bottom, what could you have done? You could have come, taken our measurement, and we measure half, and our work is to wait for the market to break that half for us to get on a buy. So at the end of the day, the story looks different from the perspective that you're checking your market from. So if you check your market from this is your support, you will know this is a possible double bottom. If you check your market that this was the neckline broken and you never paid attention on one candle support, this is the story that you'll be sold to. And you will be waiting for the market to do what? To end retracement for you to enter sell. So let's see what happened after you got on that sale. So the market, the first candle was in profit, but now you are coming into a loss. But remember, the market now it's approaching this place and they have broken the half. So many people who wants to buy, if you knew this is one support, you could not be trapped. Remember, there are many people who have trapped on that sale. So what you could have done, you could have come here, enter on a buy, because now I'm teaching you, you'll never do that. You enter on a buy and target what? Target the neckline, because this possible double bottom, this is the neckline. And now it is no longer a possible double bottom, it's a double bottom. Now you target there. And we play and see, did it change direction? So eventually the market obeyed the one candle support, so that we might get a double bottom. So the profit was hit. So imagine not knowing this is one candle support costed you all this money, costed you to think the market will sell. Well, it was not selling. So this video, it was about support. Lesson 13, I'll do about resistance. Thank you, and I love you so much. Bye-bye.